What's up, everyone? Quick video for you today. I'm River Caraba, the Analytics Guy. Welcome back to our channel, the Analytics Guy. I'm happy to be coming at you today because I have requests of you. I've been talking a lot lately about YouTube analytics, but I know some of you are very concerned about other forms of analytics as well. So I've got a question for you. Is it Facebook? Is it Instagram? Is it Twitter? What is it? What is the next kind of platform that you'd want to see me do some dive-in videos on? I'll be taking some suggestions and ideas. I got pretty deep knowledge of Instagram and Facebook as well. Also Twitter. Twitter's actually got even more kind of interesting information. There's a ton of information, you guys, we could do. I could talk for days about how to mine for insights in Facebook if that's something you want to do. Let me know in the comment section below. This is a video where I 100% rely on your engagement. So if you're seeing it, let me know what the next platform analytics you want me to dive into. Happy to answer those questions. Thanks a lot. I'll be reading those comments.